What's going on, guys? I have another behind the scenes video for you from Pat and Rachel's session we got to shoot while we were out at Showit United in Phoenix, Arizona last November. Pat's a subscriber on the channel, so it was awesome to meet up with him. I'm going to preface that there was a lot that got cut out of this video because I'm sharing those poses and prompts exclusively on my Patreon. You can find the link to that in the description below. There's already a few prompts and poses up over there, plus you'll get access to an exclusive posing app for your phone that will store all of these prompts so you can access them quickly while you're at a session. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Oh yeah, I put you on the uphill here. That's good. And let me have you guys rotate this way a little bit.
All right.
Right there, perfect. And I want you guys to hold hands down here this time. There we go, perfect. Yep, just like that. Bring those noses close together again. You're gonna get sick of me saying that, I think. It's gonna be noses together, noses together.
Yeah. You were not.
Perfect. Look, you're fine, you're fine. Looking right at each other, that's great. Guys, you're killing it.
Yeah.
This looks good. Guys, love that. Can you kiss on the forehead again for me? Beautiful, y'all. Love that. Share a kiss right there and actually hold the kiss for a long time, all right? That's great. Don't pull away, just smile real big right there. There you go, that's great. Share a kiss again, that's great, perfect. Hey, yeah, just look at me, you guys, real quick. Both of you guys looking right here. Come even closer. Bring those belly buttons together. You're married. Yeah, you go.
Don't push it out.
Ready, guys? Biggest smiles. Awesome. Hang tight, hang tight. Rachel, I've seen you smile bigger already, girl. There we go. There it is. Perfect. Looking at each other again. Bring those noses close. Rachel, look back at me here and nuzzle in for me again, Pat. There you go. This time I want you to whisper in her ear at the risk of getting in trouble. Her most annoying habit. Don't worry, you'll have a chance to retaliate, all right? Keep it tame, keep it tame. Looking at him, yeah, that's great. All right, what's his most annoying habit? You get a chance to retaliate.
Yeah, there you go. Whisper it in my deaf ear.
He's perfect.
I am.
I got one.
All right.
Oh, I got it. The epiphany.
Think about that one.
Oh, you didn't clean last night.
That's hilarious. Who does like the dishes more out of the two of you?
I hate dishes.
Yeah,
I do
it's,
laundry all day.
she'll cook, I'll clean, because you don't want me cooking, and you don't honestly really want you cleaning all that much.
I'm not very good at it.
Good at it. I mean,
Breakfast. I'm a breakfast connoisseur.
bacon.
Bacon. Let me, I'm trying to find where the sun is hitting you guys. It's not? Awesome, cool. Hey, let me bring you guys right here. I just want you to hold hands like you're walking, and I'm gonna do a, I'm just gonna go down here and get like a wide shot of you guys in the cove here. Have you guys been pricked by a cactus yet since you've
Yes.
lived here? Yeah?
We were at Devil's Bridge and I was coming down the trail.
Yeah.
And I slipped and that was the first thing I grabbed a handful of.
Oh,
Yes, that was fun.
that sounds painful. That sounds painful. Can I actually have you guys turn and face each other? Yeah. There you go, just like that. That's perfect. And grab her by her waist, pull her into you.
All right.
There you go. Noses together. And I'll tell you what to do in just a moment. But so far, this looks pretty good. Love it, guys. Looks great. Hold that again. Pop that leg again, Rachel. There you go. You're a pro now. That's good. Hey, can you give her a huge kiss and dip her backwards a little bit? Nice, nice. Awesome. Hold that for just another second. Another second. Don't pull away. Just smile real big right there. Nice job. You can bring her right back up. Good job. Awesome, guys. All right, you guys are doing awesome. Let me bring you. No, we're gonna stay right here because the light looks good. Nice job, guys. Awesome. Can I stay right? No, stay right in that. Get to that one more time. That was great. Kiss on the forehead again for me. Nice job, guys. Can I have scoot back that way just a tad bit, guys. Yep. We're gonna do one more walking shot right here. Yeah, good. You're killing it in those heels. You're not tripping or anything. It's great.
I would have worse heels.
Can I have you, Pat, you're gonna, actually, throw the right hand in the pocket, Pat.
All right.
Rich, I'm gonna have you just hug on to that arm there. Keep holding the hand down there though, that's totally fine. Yep, and you're gonna stay like this and you're slowly gonna walk towards me again. Now you're kind of connected, all right? So just stay real close to him, all right? Looking at each other again. Ready, set, go ahead.
Slow.
Nice and slow, yep. Good job. Can you guys bring noses together and walk? We'll make it hard. Killing it, guys, killing it. Love it. Can you guys kiss and walk?
I'm trying not to walk.
And bump. Nice job, guys. Awesome. All right, let's go over to the bridge here a little bit.
All right.
That's great. Put the left hand on his waist. Right hand's gonna be on his bicep there. And you can slide out this way for me. There you go. Perfect, just like that is good. I'm gonna back up just a little bit. I'm out of breath walking up these hills, guys. We don't hike like you guys do. This is
Even coming up the hill where we parked, we were like, oh man.
out of breath of it. Yeah, it is steep. All right, big smiles right here. Looking good, guys. Can you look over towards her for me, Pat? Perfect. Yeah, looking right at him. That's good. Yeah, hold on to his muscle there. You can flex a little bit if you want. Yeah, there you go.
What?
Why are you being shy now?
No.
Why be shy? Yeah. Keep staring at him or his ear, whatever it is you're looking at. Pat, I want you to look right back at me, Pat. There you go. Yeah, keep staring at his ear. That's good. That's good. That's good. Perfect. Can you pinch his butt real quick?
He has no butt.
Yeah. There was zero reaction too when you pinched, so I believe you. I don't. Can you look back at her again? Rachel, look over at me now. Love it, guys.
What?
You look gritting your teeth.
Pinch his butt again. Really pinch it. There needs to be Awesome, guys. That's great. Perfect job, guys. Awesome. Rachel, look right at me while you walk. Love it. Love it. Awesome. You guys are good. Perfect. You come on down. Thank you, guys. Let's do this. Can I have Pat? Can you turn and face that direction there? And I want you to just hug him from behind. Cool. Both your hands right in the pockets, Pat.
Yeah.
There you go. Perfect.
Like
Yeah, go to the other side. That's great. You did the leg pop. I trained you. Officially trained. All right, both of you guys looking right here. Nice job, guys. Looking good. I'm gonna back up into a cactus. I know it's gonna happen.
Watching.
Can you look up at his ear now for me? Great job. I'm gonna come in a little closer. Pat, look back at her. That's sweet, guys. Keep that smile up, guys. That's great. Pat, look over at me now. Nice job. Tickle him a little bit.
Smile.
Yeah, really tickle him a little bit though. See, yeah, that's great. Yeah, that's sweet, guys. Awesome. Pinch his butt one more time if you can find it. We got that one. That's great. Awesome. That's great. Rachel, come in a little closer to him. There you go. Yeah, you knew what I was gonna say before I said it. That's great. Perfect, guys. Looking at each other now. She was zoned for a second. Bring those noses close. Kiss on the kiss on the forehead again. Nice, nice. Keep holding that. I'm coming a little closer here. Love it, guys. Just yeah, you can full on make out. It's really good. It's totally fine. Yeah, she's like a PDA. Love it. Rachel, look over at me again. Love that, guys. That's cute. Pat, nuzzle in for me again. Love it. Hey, now you can nuzzle a kiss. It's all good. Don't stress it. Right there is great. Come chest to chest for me. We're just gonna do a silhouette. Yeah. We're gonna do a silhouette, and for those who don't know how to do a silhouette shot, you're essentially just going to expose for the sky. That's really all it is. It's really quite simple. So I'll tell you my settings here in a second. Can you guys bring those noses together? All right. So right now I am at 1/4,000 for my shutter. You know what? I'm gonna go down to 1/8,000 for my shutter. My aperture is at 2.8 and my ISO is at 100. All right, bring those noses together, guys. Right there is great. I got some clouds in the background as well, so that looks pretty nice. And share a kiss right there. Perfect. Perfect. Pat, what I want you to do, when you kiss her this time, I want you to just like lean her backwards a little bit. Don't change like the arm position or anything like that. Just lean her backwards a bit. Yep, go ahead. Right there is great. That's awesome, guys. Perfect, you guys can come up. So I don't know if you can see what we're getting on the back of screen here.
No.
No, you can't. We'll put it.
Sort of can.
You sort of can. But that's essentially how you do a silhouette shot, and it looks pretty good right now with the blue sky and the sun and all that. So and these two are perfect. So, all right, let me bring you guys down here. There, it's all good. I'm gonna back way up though. Stay right in that pose, guys. Right in that pose. All right. I am still set for a silhouette shot. We're gonna change this. Nice job, guys. All right, I'm gonna dip real low here. All right, looking good. Perfect. I'm gonna come up this way here. I'm gonna go on my toes for you guys. Yeah, nuzzle in again for me, Pat. Nuzzle in, that's great. Yes, I was just gonna tell you, look over towards him.
That's so sweet.
That looks good, guys, that looks good. Tickle her a little bit with your left hand.
You're not listening.
Tickle her a little bit, Pat, tickle her. He was
He was in his own.
He was just obsessed with you for a minute. He couldn't even take his eyes off you. But he's also said he's deaf a few times, so I don't.
Yeah.
Is he actually? Are you actually partially deaf?
hear in this ear.
Really? Oh, that explains it. That explains it.
Uses it way too much, so.
Well, it's like a real excuse.
No.
That's cute, guys. That's cute.
That's
You're all set. Let's
Yes.
we're gonna do some more final shots as we're just walking down the hill here.
Sweet.
Totally good. Looking at each other the whole time again. Okay, guys. Ready, set, go ahead. Stay real close. That's great. Can you guys kiss and walk at the same time? Beautiful, guys. Switch it up. Hold hands now. Hold hands and walk. Yeah. Keep on coming. Looking at each other again. That's sweet, y'all. Bump.
He said bump.
Bump. Bump. Yeah. Nice job. Kiss and walk at the same time. One more time there. Yep. Beautiful.
You're pushing me.
Awesome job. Kiss her on the shoulder there. Kiss her on the shoulder there. That's great. Love that, guys. There, double kiss. That's cute, guys.
Did you know that the majority of people who watch my videos aren't even subscribed? Hit that subscribe button for me, guys, and catch new content every single week. One of my goals for 2020 is to stay super consistent with this channel because I love giving you guys awesome content. I'd also love it if you share this content with a friend or photographer who might find it valuable, and hit that like button for me as well. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.